In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use quick login here in Roblox. Essentially, this is the fastest way to hop onto another device without typing in that long password every single time. And yeah, it's quick. Before we do dive in this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But first things first, log into Roblox on your main device and go to the settings cog in the top right corner and you're going to see a quick sign in option. Go ahead and select that and it's going to go ahead and generate a code from a new device. Essentially, you're just going to need to copy that code and then go back on your main logged in device and paste it in. And you'll see a warning saying you're about to sign into another device. Make sure this is actually you doing this, not some like random guy. And obviously make sure that you never give this code to anyone else unless you're just into the thrill of losing all of your Robux in one night. But after you do that, simply hit enter and boom, your device is now going to be logged in without needing a password. Super fast, super easy, but of course it does work. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Quick login obviously saves you a lot of time and maybe even raises some eyebrows. But if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.